Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Darkbeam UV flashlight. Model number is UV395. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So I really wasn't looking to get this. It actually was shown on my Amazon account as a daily deal, and for the price I decided to go ahead and pull a trigger on it. So let me see if we can get this open. We'll take a look at it. Now they make a couple of different models. The one I went with runs on a single AA battery. They also make a model that has a rechargeable battery in it. You can basically adjust the zoom of it, and then looks like they actually have a battery in it for you. So that's kind of cool. To me, there's just something easy about a flashlight with a AA battery. Now I'm planning on putting lithium battery in it. I've had batteries in the past that explode in my flashlight, so I've kind of gone to lithium batteries for all of them. Since they gave me one in here, I guess I'll go ahead and use this. Very simple to use. Basically unscrew the back, put your battery in, and that's what it looks like. Now there's a couple different purposes for these kind of flashlights. I wanted it because I want to see if my dog, which you can probably hear playing with the toy in the background, has been peeing over the house, so we can make sure we've cleaned up the urine. The other thing is, if you're somebody who's into watches, they're really great as far as charging up the lume on your watch. Let me show you real quick how you can adjust the zoom. You'll notice as I pull this in or out, it can make it stronger. But again, if you're somebody that's into watches, it does a really good job of charging up your lume indices on a watch. So, kind of multi-purpose for me. I'll be using it for pet urine detection as well as for my watches. Anyway, pretty simple stuff. Not much to it. Basically a box, flashlight, you get a AA battery in it. That's the unboxing of the UV395. I hope the video helps.